Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll be tackling a common problem that you might encounter in your coding journey. The problem we're going to solve today focuses on a struct that is identifiable and contains nested items, making it a bit tricky to search for a specific item efficiently in a large array. This can be quite a headache if you need to update an item based on its ID, especially when dealing with nested elements. Let's dive into how we can efficiently address this issue. In order to solve the problem at hand, we can employ a recursive function that allows us to find the item with a specific ID in a given array of items. By iterating through each item in the array, we check if the ID matches the one we're looking for. If not, we recursively search through the nested items until we find a match. This approach ensures that we can locate the desired item in a faster and more effective manner, saving us valuable time and effort. Building on the previous solution, we can optimize the search process further by creating a dictionary mapping each item's ID to the item itself. By constructing this dictionary recursively, we can easily access and update the desired item by its ID without the need for extensive searching. This enhancement streamlines the process of working with items in the array and provides a more efficient way to manage and manipulate the data structure. To wrap things up, we've covered a smart and efficient way to search for and update items within a nested array structure, saving you time and effort in your coding endeavors. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding challenges you'd like to see us tackle next. Until next time, happy coding!